The F-16XL is not a production fighter. It's a prototype designed to push the limits of the F-16 platform. Bigger wings, more fuel, more weapons. This wing wasn't designed for style. It was designed for range, payload, and sustained performance. In real life, the F-16XL offered longer range and superior strike capability. In War Thunder, those traits translate differently. The F-16XL doesn't fight like a normal F-16. Turn rate feels heavier, but stability is unmatched. This is where the F-16XL becomes dangerous. More hardpoints, more bombs, more missiles. In air-to-air combat, the XL demands discipline. You win by positioning, not panic turns. That giant wing comes at a cost. Drag exists, and you will feel it. Despite its advantages, the F-16XL lost the competition. The F-15E Strike Eagle won the mission. In War Thunder, the F-16XL is a specialist. Not overpowered, not weak, but misunderstood. This aircraft rewards planning. If you fly smart, it delivers. The F-16XL represents a path not taken, a future that almost happened. In War Thunder, the F-16XL isn't here to dominate. It's here to challenge how you think about air combat, and that's exactly why it matters. Is the F-16XL underrated or perfectly balanced in War Thunder? Comment your experience below and vote in the poll. Subscribe to Supersonic News for more deep dive aviation analysis.